going on, guys? So I got a pretty cool unboxing for you guys today. I got a steering wheel hub for my personal car, and I believe this is going to be the greatest hub you can probably buy. It's literally from Japan. I have the tracking information, literally came from Tokyo. Would show you the front label, but it's got my address on it. I already did open it just because I didn't want to have to use a knife and drop the camera, but here's how it came. First, they gave me some Japanese fruit snacks, it looks like. I'm not 100% sure. You can read all the stuff in the back. If someone knows how to translate this, let me know what this is. I'm probably not going to eat them, but yeah. That's that. Next is the main thing, but let's go around it first. We got a card. Okay. It's cool. Japanese writing right there. That's cool. Miata. Okay. So here it is. This is cool. Literal Japanese writing. I already sliced it open, but that is so cool. Alright, let's get this box out of the way. There's nothing else in here. I looked. And here is the hub kit. Now, the cool thing about this hub kit is that it comes with the airbag resistor and everything. That's why I wanted this one so bad. Because if you actually have a USDM car, you're going to have to figure out how to get your airbag lights to not come on. And this basically solves that issue 100% for you. Having issues here. So you could tell it's a little bit more oversized than the regular ones because it's got to fit all the wiring behind it. But you could pick this up and you feel quality. Looks good. The finish is really nice. The splines look strong. Yeah, they're nice. So that's that. That's pretty cool. I think this is probably... Yeah, this is a good piece. I like the plastic around it. Like, there's not even that much bend to the plastic. It's pretty good, and I like that a lot. And that's going to look good in any interior, I feel like. And it's big enough to where you can just put a wheel right on it. I'll also show you guys, like, the greatest wheel you can get for your Miata. Alright, so I'm going to have to put the camera down and open this up. Okay, so here's everything that came in that bag. This is for the horn. The thing I love about this most is that this plugs directly into the stock harness. No cutting and splicing required, which when you're trying to be OEM plus, that's 100% the way. This is the really cool part. This is a plug-in airbag resistor. And I think this is like the coolest thing any company has ever done. Making it so you don't have to wire this in or take your cluster apart and pull the fucking bulb out of it. I think that's cool. This is something I wasn't expecting. The horn ring, which I guess makes sense. And it's got bolts in there too. I'm going to bolt my new wheel up and show you guys what it looks like. And it also came with directions, but they're all in Japanese, so I don't think they're going to help me much. And also came with this little yellow thing. I don't know what this is. I can't read it. Now this is really the coolest thing for any American Miata owner. This wheel is like a Japanese UK option. This one's from UK, so it doesn't say Unos, it says Mazda on it. And it is a genuine momo wheel with the momo button. I was really lucky to pick this up, especially with the cover. Very rare to find it with the cover and the horn button. You can always find the wheel, but these two pieces together, very rare. There's the original horn button from 1990. And here's the wheel. You can see it says momo right there. And in the back, made in Italy, 9 of 1990. This thing is in immaculate shape. No rips, no tears. Beautiful unit. I'm very, very ecstatic to put this in my car. And that video will probably be out tomorrow or the next day. Tomorrow we got a new car reveal for you guys, though. But, yeah, I'm going to put the hub on this just to give you guys an idea what it'll look like, and I'll be right back with that. Okay, so here it is all together. I only put 2 bolts in it because I got to take it all apart again tomorrow, but this is just so cool. Japanese hub, Japanese wheel is just so cool. I'm going to take these 2 bolts out real quick and show you guys how to do the horn assembly, though. Okay, now that we have it apart, here's the hub. You don't really have to do anything with the hub. You just, wheels can be different. You can either have the bigger one or the smaller pattern. I used the smaller pattern for this. It can only line up one way for your wheel. Alright, and in the package you're going to get bolts. I don't know what these bolts are for yet. I don't think they're really for anything. Maybe if you have a different style wheel, if you're using a quick release or something. I don't know. You're going to get a hub like this and a hub like that. All right, you got to figure out which one your horn button fits in. The one should either be too big for the horn button or way too small. So this one was way too big, so we know it's got to be the other one. So here it is. We put it in here. You're going to make sure you do this on the wheel because it won't fit any other way. There's going to be a snap ring right here on your horn button. You're going to take that off, all right? I'm going to just do this in reverse to show you guys. So you're going to take this snap ring off. It's kind of hard to do with one hand. Yeah, you see it's up there now, so it's going to be loose. All right, so it's popping out. You got to make sure you don't break this. This is, mine's from the 90s, yours might not be. All right, I got it out. Here's the snap ring. That's very important. Do not lose this. Put that down. All right, now your horn button is literally just going to pop out of that. Here's the other ring. All right. It doesn't really matter which bezel you use. I'm going to use the softer cut one instead of the really sharp one, just because it's going to look better. Fits in there really nice. Barely any play. Make sure you line the holes up, of course. You're going to want to put this in from the bottom because it's got the nice little plastic surround around it. So you're going to put it in from the bottom. And without the snap ring in there, it should basically snap in pretty well. I can't get it. Oh, there we go. Then you're just going to put that snap ring back in. Then you're going to put it on your hub, and you're done. That's basically it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Just a little walkthrough of probably the best wheel you can get from your Miata, and the best hub definitely money can buy. I would say Works Bell is good too, and I was going to get Works Bell. It's around the same price. But with just the resistors over here, you can't beat this hub. Works Bell, I love it, but I don't know. I think this is probably better. Do yourself a favor. Don't buy NRG. I want to show you guys so you don't think I'm lying. Literally, I have to cover up my address. Japan. Rev9 Japan, from Japan. I don't know how to say that city name, obviously, but literally from Japan. Let me cover my address again. That is the stuff to know it's coming from Japan to the US. That's crazy. I love it. I'm probably going to open this piece of paper and see what it really says. So, alright, so I'm still covering up my address, but look, Japan. It's so cool to see this stuff literally coming from Japan. That's how much I paid. This is not a cheap hub. I gotta be honest, it's not a cheap hub. But yeah, dude, it's so cool. Here's the guy that did the signature. Like, that's so cool. Yeah, but I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. I think it's pretty cool. Parts from Japan, you know, are always cool, I feel like. Like even right here, it says fragile and Japanese lettering and everything. So let me know if you guys enjoyed this video. I'll probably do an install video throwing it in the car. And hope you guys have a great day. Stay tuned tomorrow for the new car reveal.